Welcome. Thank you for joining me for another exercise snack. I hope you're enjoying the sessions as much as I'm enjoying sharing them with you. They're inspired by the workouts I do very early in the day with my 15-minute express groups. So today we did upper body strength and then we did walk fit. So I thought I'd combine the two for you to create a little mini circuit. This is perfect for beginners or perfect for those of you that are coming back to exercise. You don't need any fancy kit. I've got some weights behind. You can use water bottles or tins. You're looking for something that's going to make you feel tired after about a minute using them. So you could always start light and you could come back and do the workout if you need more challenge. So let's march. I've got a little timer here. Let me just start that off because it's a timed circuit. And we're just going to start with a walk forward and back. So what are we doing? We're going to do a warm-up. Then we're going to go into exercise with the weights. Then we're going to intersperse just a little bit of cardio and the weights workout. Now I'm just going to do prep. With the cardio, I'm going to do a little bit of prep work. So when I pick up the weights, my arms are ready for them. Yeah, and it's just 1 minute rounds. Simple as. We like to keep it simple. When I finish my exercise snack with you, I've got a whole new month of 15-minute workout groups starting next week. And if you want to trial for a few days and see if you'd like to join us, I'll put the link in this post. And you just comment and I'll send you the link to the workout group. Are you ready? We're ready for our first exercise already. So you're going to pick up the weights. So we're going to take bicep curl release. Now the music is nice and fast for our cardio, but when we're working with the weights, we just need to work at a sensible speed and range that's going to be safe for the joints. So that music can chug away at whatever speed it wants in the background. We're going to take it slow, really working into the biceps, so you work in the front of the arms. So hopefully your heart rate's starting to elevate. And like I say, if you're going to do this, if you're going to save this and do this workout a few times, you're looking to feel fatigued by the end of the minute. So right now, you'd be expecting to feel that little bit of tiredness in the belly of the muscle. And again, let's just do a couple more. Last one. We're going to pop those weights down. And we come into a step side to side. So I've got my shoulders back, abdominals engaged. Great. So the next move that we're going to do is going to be an upright row into a front raise. So we'll just prep that with a little bit of cardio. These floorboards are so squeaky. I think I might have said that in yesterday's workout. There's one floorboard that is proper squeaky at the moment. So if you do hear any creaking, it ain't me. And if it was me, I would say that anyway. So what we're doing, simple moves. And I love the idea of an exercise snack. They're great to do in the middle of the day, particularly if you work from home. You just get up, you smash out a little workout, and then you can crack back on. And especially if you tend to do something where you're sitting quite a lot. Yeah. Okay, so let's pick up weights again. So this time, combination. So we're going to do upright row. I'm only going to do one arm for the front raise because you're taking the weight away from the body. It makes the weight relatively heavier than if you were lifting quite close to the body. Now, if you feel really comfortable, you are more than welcome to lift both weights at the same time. But I'm just going to keep it as safe and effective as I can. So those elbows go out to the side. So these are great as well to take into work with you, because if you've just got 5 minutes, you've got a lunch break, you can get an exercise snack in then as well, can't you? Consistency is really key to you achieving goals and being able to make exercise part of your everyday routine. Let's put those weights down. So this move, dead simple. I'm just going to knee lift. Yeah. There we go. So I want to warm into the triceps. So going back to being consistent, you want to pick something that is going to be achievable for you to do every day. So don't set the bar too high. Make sure you pick something that you know you can do. Pick something that you think you'll enjoy when you start off. It's not going to be too much of a chore. How are we doing with this? So why am I pushing overhead? Well, it's going to elevate the heart rate. It's going to warm into the triceps. If the arms overhead's too much, you can always warm this way. Yeah. You ready? And we take a break, pick up the weights. So working through the back of the arms. So right here, I'm just going to push, release. A big exhale each time I push those back. Yeah, so exercise snacks are a really good way to start off. They're a good way if you have a lot of stuff going on in your life and you're struggling to maintain a consistent workout pattern that you may have followed in the past. So it's just topping up, isn't it? And really good if you, like I say, you're on your exercise journey. And good if you have the kind of lifestyle when you don't know when you're going to get 5 minutes. So they're nice to use if you think, right, I've got a few minutes to myself. I'm going to whack on a workout. So let's go 4, 3, 2, and 1. So those weights go down, and we're going into our last cardio round, and I'm just going to take that as a stride forward and back again. So for some of you, you may be able to take that just into a little jog. For some of you, you'll be at a level where you can just take that into a bounce. It's up to you. I'm going to go middle of the road. That's my job. And again. Great. So you're keeping your shoulders back, so you're trying to lift. That's going to get your core muscles firing. If you tend to sit a lot of the time, your back's supported, which means your stomach and back don't have to work as hard, which means that the core probably isn't as strong as it could be. So anytime you can get that back nice and straight, chest lifted, then we get a little bit of extra conditioning there. All right, we're going to pick up the weight. So this next exercise, slightly different, working into the back of your upper body, into your posture muscles. So I'm going to go down, pull back, release and rise. So I've got my tummy pulled in, elbows are in by the side. And again, so take that down, pull, release to rise. Down, pull, release. So this is our last round. Now if you've just found me, why don't you save the post, have a little read through the description and come back to it when you've got 5 minutes. And if this is your first exercise snack with me, go back through my feed. I've got 6 that are very, very different. They're all different. So have a little look. And just a reminder, I've got 3 15-minute express workout groups. One is solely walk fit, the other is solely mind body, and the other is mixed fitness, which would be the kind of workout we're doing today. So if you comment 15 in the post, I'll send you access for a free 3-day trial in my 15-minute express workout groups. Let's just go one more and release. Place those weights down and let's loosen off. Great, change sides. We're done already. Just what a lot of good you've just done for yourself in such a short amount of time. My argument is everybody's got the time. It's just finding the motivation, and it's just finding a way that you can fit everything in to make it work for you. My argument is always, do you spend 10 minutes at any time in your environment sitting scrolling through your phone? Now I'm happy for you to do that because that's how you find me. But my argument is, I bet you do that at least twice a day. So for one of those scrolling moments, could you pop down the phone and just do an under 10-minute workout? I bet you could. And let's just take a good old stretch there. And you're just going to take a little stretch through the back of the arms as well. And change. And loosen off. Thank you so much for joining me for my exercise snack. I really hope you enjoyed the workout. I really hope you enjoy going back through some of the other workouts if you haven't already, and have yourself an absolutely phenomenal Tuesday. Thanks again for stopping by. Have a great day.